So, good evening all, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel, still joining, okay, from Shri Krishna, Madhurima, okay, Chalam Shastri, right. So, I think this was the last question we have discussed. So, 1 minute. Okay. Right, good evening. Okay. Right. Right. Good evening, Mani. So, now let us move to the 27th question. Question. A particle moves along the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x, then the point on the curve such that x and y coordinates of the point of the particle change with the same rate, with the same rate is the point we need to find out. First option 1, 3, second option 1 by 2, 5 by 2, third option is minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4, fourth option minus 1, minus 1. Okay. So, that means a particle moves along the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x, then the point on the curve such that x and y coordinates of the particle change with the same rate. That means the particle moves on this curve, x and y coordinates change with the same rate. That means dx by dt equal to dy by dt. So, we need to find out the point. So, here y equals to x cube plus 2x, differentiate both sides with respect to t, dy by dt equals to, this will be 3x square plus 2 into dx by dt, dx by dt. So, now I will check this question 1 minute. There is something wrong in the question. Wait now. Okay. One minute, I will come. Yes, question. So, now this is x square, okay. Now, y equals to x square plus 2x, now dy by dt is equal to 2x wait now, something problem is there. Okay. So, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2 dx by dt. So, according to the problem, both are equal. This is 1. Now, 2x plus 2 equals to 1, 2x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 1 by 2. That means this will be the option. Now, we need to find out y. Y equals to, substitute in this one, 1 by 4, this will be minus 1. So, minus 3 by 4. The point is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Okay, this is the question, 27th question. Now, let us move to the 28th question. If the rate of change in the circumference of a circle, circumference, if the rate of change in circumference of a circle is 0.5 centimeter per second, 0.5 centimeter per second, then the rate of change in the area when the circumference is 10 pi centimeter is. This is the question. Okay. First one is 2.5 centimeter square per second. Second option is 5 centimeter square per second. Third one 4 centimeter square per second. Fourth one 5 centimeter square per second. This is the question. Yes, right. So now the rate of change of circumference of a circle is 0.5 centimeter per second. Then rate of change of in its area when the circumference is 10 pi centimeters, we need to find out. So that means solution given. For example, let C be the circumference. C be the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. C be the circumference of a circle means C is equal to, we know, 2 pi r. Here r we can find out. R is equal to, in terms of circumference we can write C by 2 pi. And what is given here? dc by dt given. The rate of change of circumference is given. That is 0.5 centimeter per second you need to given. Sorry. Now what we need to find out? The rate of change in area. Area is equal to actually circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Now in the place of r, C by 2 pi substitute. Pi into r square means you will be getting C square by 4 pi square. So this will be C by 4 pi, C square by 4 pi. Now differentiate with respect to t, dA by dt. dA by dt is equal to 1 by 4 pi C square differentiation with respect to t, 2c dc by dt. So now here dA by dt equals to, so 1 by 2 pi C, circumference is given 10 pi centimeters. So 10 pi multiplied by the rate of change of circumference also given 0.5. This pi gets cancelled. We have 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2.5 centimeter square per second. This is the answer. So first option is the right option. Right. 29th question. 29th. Right. Water is flowing. Water is flowing. Water is flowing into cylindrical tank of radius 7 feet at the rate of 22 cubic feet per second. Then the rate of change in water level is first option 7 feet per second, second option is 1/7 feet per second, third option 2/7 feet per second, fourth option is 7/2 feet per second. So this is the question. Right. So now water is flowing into the cylindrical tank, radius 7 feet at the rate of 22 cubic feet per second. That means dV by dt is given. Then rate of change in the water level, that means rate of change in the height you need to find out. So that means cylindrical vessel means like this, the vessel is like this, it's a cylindrical shape. So that means what is given here, radius given, r is equal to 7 feet and dV by dt given. Cubic feet means you remember volume, dV by dt is 22 cubic feet per second. Now we need to find out dH by dt. Now R is fixed, water level increase means like this, it will be fixed, but only the height varies, H changes. So that means now volume of the cylinder is V is equal to pi r square H, but R is fixed, 7 substitute here. So we get 7 square, 49 pi H. Now dV by dt let us find out. dV by dt is equal to 49 pi means 22/7 into dH by dt. 7 ja. Now already dV by dt is given, that is 22 equals to 7 into 22 into dH by dt. Here 22 1 ja, 22 cancel. Now we need to find out dH by dt. dH by dt is equal to, see you get 1/7 feet per second. That's why second option is the right option. Not first option, that is second option. Second option is the right option. You check it now. 30 right. The radius and height of a cylinder are equal to the radius of a sphere. The ratio of change of volume of the sphere to the cone is. First option is 4:3, second option is 3:4, third option 2:3, fourth option is 3:2. Now this question is related to the cylinder as well as the sphere now. Okay. So now the radius height of a cylinder are equal to radius of the sphere. For example, small r be the radius of the sphere, even the radius and height of the cylinder also small r. Okay. The ratio of change of volume of the sphere and volume of the cone we need to find out. So that means actually here see, radius equal to height equal to radius of the sphere. For example, r is the radius of the sphere radius, for example, you say. First let us find out volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now rate find out. dV1/dt equals to 4/3 pi, r cube differentiation is 3r square, but with respect to t, that is dr/dt. So 3 gets cancelled, we have that is 4 pi r square dr/dt. Now let us find out volume of the cylinder, that is actually pi r square h. Here h equal to r, that means pi r cube dV2/dt, that is pi into 3r square dr/dt. So this is equal to 3 pi r square dr/dt. So now we need to find out ratio between this one and this one, you need to find out. That means dV1/dt is to okay, now you will be getting, I think so. Wait now. I will check. Wait, you will be getting now. Now got it? all of you? Okay, thank you, thank you. Here some problem is there, it can be reconnected. Now you will be getting, I think so. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. You will be getting. Yes, technical problem. So now the 31st question. 31st question. The side of an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle increases see Vaishnavi Rati Devi is not coming, sure, okay. Rakshita, so without okay, increases at the rate of √3 centimeter per second, then the rate of increase in its area when the side is 20 centimeters is. First option 30, second option is 20, third option is 10, fourth option is 25 centimeter square per second, centimeter square per second, centimeter square per second, centimeter square per second. This is the question. Okay, vectors. Okay, next I will start, because actually after matrices, vectors, because vectors are depending on only, okay, side of an equilateral triangle increases at the rate of √3 centimeter per second. Rate of increase in its area when the side is 20 centimeters. So that means this problem is related to equilateral triangle. So what is given? For example, let x be the side of an equilateral triangle. Side of an equilateral triangle. So what is given here? Dx by dt is given. Dx by dt equals to √3 centimeter per second. Now dA by dt at x is equal to 20 centimeters you need to find out. First, area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square, that is x square. Am I correct? So now dA by dt equals to root 3 by 4 into x square, differentiation is 2x, into dx by dt. Now this is root 3 by 2 into x is equal to 20, dx by dt is root 3. This will be 2 1 ja 10 ja, root 3 into root 3 3, so 30 centimeter square per second. That means first option is the right option. Okay. Thirty-two. A person of height 180 centimeters starts from a lamp post of height 450 centimeters and walks at the constant rate of 4 kmph. Okay, 4 kmph. The rate at which is shadow increases. Okay. First option 2 kmph. Second option 6.4 kmph. Third option 8/3 kmph. Fourth option is 4 kmph. So this is the problem. A person of height 180 centimeters starts from a lamp post of height 450 centimeters, walks at the constant rate of 4 kmph. The rate at which his shadow increases. So that means, for example, this is the lamp post. So person is walking like this. So person is walking like this, it's moving. So you join this one. Say AB be the lamp post, that is 450 centimeters. This is the height of the person. Say CD. Say this point is E. Okay. So now this is right angle, this is also right angle. Say suppose theta, this is. Okay. This is 180 centimeters height. For example, say this is x now. This distance is equal to x. Say this is actually shadow. Say y. Length of the shadow is y. Now dx by dt is given, that is 4. Here write down, let us write now here. Solution. AB is equal to 450 centimeters, and next CD is equal to 180 centimeters. Let BD is equal to distance travelled by the person x, DE is equal to length of the shadow y, and dx by dt is given. Dx by dt is equal to 4 kmph. 4 kmph. Now dy by dt is equal to question mark. So first actually from this triangle ABC define tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to, you get 450 opposite side divided by, we have x plus y. Now in this CDE triangle also define tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, we have 180 by y. So this both are equal. That means actually 450 by x plus y equals to, we have 180 by y. 0 0 gets cancelled. 9 2 ja, 9 3 ja. So now here we get a relation 3y equals to 2x plus 2y. Now 3y minus 2y is equal to y is equal to 2x. So dy by dt find out. Dy by dt is equal to 2 times dx by dt. What is dx by dt? 4. That means actually you will be getting how much? Sorry, this will be 9 2 ja, 9 5 ja. This will be 5. This will be 5y. This will be 3y. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into dx by dt. Dx by dt is 4. So that equal to 8 by 3 kmph. So third option is the right option. Okay. That means 9 2 ja, 9 5 ja. Yes, 5. Cross multiplication, 5y is equal to 2x plus 2y, 3y is equal to x, dy by dt is equal to 2/3 of dx by dt. Right. So now errors and approximations. Errors and approximations. So last year also one question was asked on this one, errors and approximations. Okay. So let y is equal to f of x be a function. When y is equal to f of x be a function, then x is called independent variable, y is dependent variable, and let delta x be the small error or change in x, then corresponding error in y be delta y. So that means I already told you x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. As x changes, y also changes. So let delta x be the small increment or error or change in x, then corresponding error in y be delta y. So that means actually we get like this, we get, see, y plus delta y is equal to, you can write like this, f of x plus delta x, f of x plus delta x. Now delta y is equal to, we can write f of x plus delta x minus y. Y is nothing but f of x. So f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So this is the formula to find out error in y, absolute error or error in y. So error in y, that is delta y, equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. You remember, this is one formula. Okay. So now next, see, for example, we know that dy by dx equals to derivative f dash x. This dy equal to, we can write f dash x into delta x, sorry, dx. In general, dx is approximately equal to delta x. Now replace dx by delta x, dy equal to f dash x into delta x. So dy is called differential in y, differential in y. So how to find out differential in y? This is also denoted by df also. That means dy, df both are same. Dy, df both are same. So that means hereafter you can remember dy here equals to f dash x into delta x. So now we know that delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Now this f of x plus delta x, we can write delta y plus f of x. Delta y is approximately equal to dy. So this approximately equal to f dash x into delta x, because in the last we have discussed, see, dy equals to f dash x into delta x. So now replacing this f of x plus delta x approximately equal to here f of x plus this is replaced by this one f dash x into delta x. This is the formula to find out approximate values. It is very, very important. This is the formula to find out approximate values. Okay. So, now here how to find out one by one I will explain. For example, sin of x plus delta x, if you want to find out sin of x plus delta x, this approximately equal to f of x is sin x function plus sin x derivative is cos x into this, instead of dx better you add on delta x, better you add on delta x. So, cos x into delta x. Now, tell me what is tan of x plus delta x? That means, for example, if you want to find out approximate value of tan, so you can remember this one, tan of x plus delta x is equal to here tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x into delta x. For example, if you want to find out log of x plus delta x, some approximate value of logarithm, log of x plus delta x is equal to here log x plus log x derivative is 1 by x into delta x. For example, if you want to find out e power x plus delta x, this approximately equal to e power x plus e power x multiplied by delta x. Similarly, if you want to find out root of x plus delta x, that means approximate square roots we can find out. Root x plus root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x into delta x. So, this is the actually this is the use of the formula. So, now here relative error in y equal to delta y by y. Next is important, percentage error in y equal to delta y by y into 100. That means relative error into 100. This is a relation. Relative error multiplied by 100 is equal to percentage error. That means percentage error equals to relative error multiplied by 100. So, now we need to recall formulae of the mensuration. First, one by one let us discuss. For example, cube, first one surface area. Surface area equals to, for example, 6 side square. Second, volume equals to a cube. Second, cylinder. So, lateral surface area 2 pi r h. Second, total surface area 2 pi r into r plus h. Next, volume pi r square h. Next, third one, cone, lateral surface area pi r l. Here L equals to root of r square plus h square. R is the base radius, h is the height. Next, total surface area. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into r plus L. Next, volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 of cylinder, 1/3 of pi r square h. Next, sphere. So, surface area equal to 4 pi r square, volume 4/3 pi r cube. Generally, you know the square, rectangle, so equilateral triangle, that I won't discuss. Cube, cylinder and cone is enough. And one more thing you need to remember. For example, the time period of the simple pendulum, t is equal to 2 pi root L by g. So, here squaring t square is equal to, you get 4 pi square L by g. So, this 4 pi square by L g is constant, that means L proportional to t square, or we can say that L is equal to some constant times t square. This is the relation to the simple pendulum formula. Simple pendulum. And one more thing, if you want to find out the percentage error in L, very simple, delta L by L into 100, constant you remove it. So, this is actually called dimension is t. In physics you might have studied units and dimensions. So, here dimension is 2 means 2 into delta t by t into 100, that is all. Simple, if you remember this formula, L is equal to kt square. Most of the problems on simple pendulum regarding to the errors and approximates we can solve. So, for example, say any function for like this, for example, f is equal to some a to the power of alpha into b to the power of beta and c to the power of gamma. What is delta f by f into 100, percentage in f? Here actually power alpha is there, understood now here. So, power alpha means alpha times delta a by a into 100 plus beta into delta b by b into 100 plus gamma into delta c by c into 100, you can write it. So, we can apply. So, you might have studied actually in physics also units and dimensions, the same thing also here we can apply. So, for example, circle, area of the circle is pi r square. What is the percentage of error in area? That means very simple to write. Delta a by a into 100 is equal to, we can write pi is constant. Here what is the dimension? 2. So, 2 times delta r by r into 100. The simple manner you can write it. For example, volume of the sphere is equal to, V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Now, tell me what is the percentage error in V? That is delta V by V into 100 is equal to, this is constant, leave it, dimension is 3 into delta r by r into 100. So, this I will discuss all these shortcuts during the problems. In degree simple pendulum errors and calculations are there, sir. Okay, exactly, okay. Yes, in simple pendulum actually we draw, in degree we do the experiment also. So, we draw the graph for L is equal to t square also. Okay. So, thank you. So, tomorrow we shall continue the problems. Thank you one and all. Today is actually only 1 hour. So, tomorrow the morning same classes will be continued. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you.